Hi, and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. For those of you who are new to Lavonne's Kitchen, I'm Lavonne, your host, and this is my kitchen. And today in the kitchen, we are cooking some rotisserie style chicken salad. You know, I like things easy, quick, and presentation is a must. So we're going to get to it. But in the meantime, if you're new to Lavonne's Kitchen, guess what I need you to do? That's right, I need you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well so that you'll always be notified when a new video comes out. So let's get to it. I said rotisserie style chicken. Now, you know, I'm a bargain shopper. I do a lot of shopping at Sam's Club because I buy in bulk. Look at what I bought. This is rotisserie chicken, and they cut it up. And once they cut it up, the price is a whole lot less. I have 4 chicken breasts with the wing attached for $3.98. Yes, $3.98. These are huge chicken breasts. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this kind of chicken for my chicken salad. Like I said, I like things quick and easy. So our chicken is already cooked. My next ingredient is some mayonnaise. I'm going to chop up some celery and a little bit of black pepper. It's just that easy. So let me see what I'm going to do first. First, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my celery. I don't like real big chunks of celery, so I'm going to slice it very small. You know, some people like it big, but I don't. I just like the little bit of flavor that it gives to it. Now, if you want that big chunky, then you can go ahead and dice it a lot bigger. But see how small that is? I just want little bits and pieces to put in there. And there we go. So I'm going to add this to my bowl first. Then I'm going to get just one of these chicken breasts is enough. So I'm going to get the one chicken breast out and I'm going to go ahead and slice it up. The thing that I like about look how big this is. It's huge. The thing I like about the rotisserie chicken for chicken salad is it's already has flavor in it. It's already cooked. So all you have to do, I'm going to go ahead and pull the skin off of here first. I don't want the skin in there. I'm going to slice the wing off. Don't want any bones in it, so I'm going to take the wing off of there. That wing comes in handy. You know what I do with these? Since there's 4 of them, it'll last me for a while. So I'll take one, I'll slice it up, and I'll put it in some gravy. I'll take another one, I'll slice it up, and I'll make chicken salad. I'll take another one, and I'll slice it up and put it on top of the chicken. And guess what? I still have another one left over for whatever it is I want to do with it. So if I want like some stir-fried chicken or something, you know, or just heat it up and eat it. It's a rotisserie chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and slice this up. Okay, so you see I just sliced it up. Now I'm just going to slice that a little bit more. Put all of these together and turn them to the side. Slice them up. Now my chicken salad can be a little chunkier than my celery. I just don't like big chunks of celery. But the chicken, we can have big chunks of chicken. Not huge. Because I like to either put my chicken salad on a croissant or eat it with crackers. So I like my chicken salad to be not too chunky. Okay. Let's see how I want it to be too chunky. So I'm gonna dice that up just a little bit more. Remember I said how quick and easy this is? Now you see. Just gonna add that to the bowl. I have 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. And just a couple sprinkles of black pepper. You don't need a lot of seasoning in this because the chicken was already seasoned. And that's all there is to it. Now this has a little bit more celery than I would like in mine, so I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken to it. But if you like yours with a lot of celery, then this is fine and it's done, you know? But like I said, I don't like a lot of celery in it and I like it chopped up small, so I'm going to dice up me another chicken breast and just add a little bit more chicken. Just a little bit more. There we go. Now you can add a lot of different things to chicken salad. This is just a plain, easy, quick and easy chicken salad, but you can add grapes to it. You can add pecans or walnuts to it. People add all different types of things to it. But this is it. And there you go. We have our chicken salad. So my chicken salad is done. Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? It's not too moist, not too dry. I like my chicken salad to be on the moist side. That was why I put so much mayonnaise in it. But I just want to taste it. It's perfect. That rotisserie chicken gives it such good flavor. You see, I didn't have to add a lot of stuff to it. I just put a little black pepper because you know me, I put a lot of black pepper in everything. But some mayonnaise, some black pepper, and celery. That's all. Look at that. So, what I am going to do, remember I cut up a couple extra pieces of the chicken. So what I'm going to do now, I told you I wanted to make me a salad for tonight. So I have me a little bit of lettuce here. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Got me some lettuce here. I have me some tomatoes. I'm going to throw some tomatoes on here. I love tomatoes, so that's why I have so many. Yes, I like tomatoes. This is what I like on my salad. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on here. I like green onions, so I'm going to put green onions on here. Love green onions, almost everything. And the rest of that chicken, I'm just going to put that chicken on here. And guess what? We have salad with rotisserie chicken. So, you saw what I did for $3.98. I still have 2 chicken breasts left. Can't be no better than that. It can't be. I'm going to put me some dressing on this and eat it tonight. My husband's going to take this chicken salad, probably throw it on a croissant and eat it tonight. And we still have chicken left. I'll take some of that chicken, like I said, throw it in some gravy and put it on some mashed potatoes tomorrow. I'll find something to do with the fourth breast. But I just want to say thank you for joining me. If you notice, this is my first video in my new kitchen. And I want to say thank you to all of you who have been hanging in there with me for the last couple years. And to all you new subscribers, I just want to say welcome. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.